Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a fraction question and we are required to arrange the following fraction into ascending order. This means that we are going to arrange this fraction from small fraction to big fraction. It is difficult to know which is the biggest fraction and which one are small fraction. So first we are going to find the LCM of the denominator of these fractions. So let us find the LCM of 4, 12, 6, 2, and 8. We are going to use prime factor here. We will start with 2. 4 divided by 2, we got 2. 12 divided by 2, we got 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2, we got 1. 8 divided by 2, we got 4. Again, we are going to divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, we got 1. 6 divided by 2, it is 3. 3 divided by 2, impossible. We are going to drop 3. Here 1. 4 divided by 2, we got 2. Again, we are going to divide by 2. Here we got 1. 3. 3. 1. And here we are going to get 1. Now we are going to divide by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, 1. By 3, 1. 1 and 1. Now our LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. We are going to get equal to 24. So our LCM is 24. Now we are going to multiply each of our fraction by the LCM that we get. Our LCM is 24. So we are going to multiply each of these fraction by 24. 3 over 4 multiplied by 24. By 4, 1. By 4, 6. 3 multiplied by 6, we get 18. 11 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 24. By 12, 1. By 12, 2. 11 multiplied by 2, we got 22. 5 over 6 multiplied by 24. By 6, 1. By 6, 4. 5 multiplied by 4, we got 20. A half multiplied by 24. By 2, 1. By 2, 12. We got 12. Lastly, 7 over 8 multiplied by 24. By 8, 1. By 8, 3. 7 multiplied by 3, we get 21. Now we can easily arrange this number in ascending order. The smallest one is 12, so we'll start with 12. That is going to be the first one. The next is 18. That is going to be the second. Then the third is 20. The fourth is 21. Then the fifth, it is 22. So our first fraction is going to be a half, followed by 3 over 4. Then the third is 5 over 6. The fourth is 7 over 8. The fifth, it is 11 over 12. This is easily how we can arrange our fraction in ascending order or descending order depending to the question. Hope you understand. For more questions on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.